everybody! Welcome back to another video. And today is our part 2 ng farm tour. So, ang part 1 was a long time ago and karon lang ta naka-video again kay bag-o lang ang atoang twin house. Ate papakita ang twin house ng farm. So, let's get started. Pagpasensyahan niyo na kung magulang aming bahay dahil nandito kami lahat for the Holy Week and start natin later ang ating farm tour part 2. So hindi pa nakapapanood ng ating part 1, put the link down para makita nyo. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Peace yo. Vegetables dyan banda. And meron tayong talong and bell pepper siya. Eggplant and bell pepper. And dito na part is yung bahay kubo na maliit. Ayan yung bahay kubo na pinagawa ng papa namin. Singit lang ako. So this part is our garden and the bahay kubo which was built during ECQ March 2020. And twin house na bago. So yan yung twin house. The na part guys is the poolside. So guys, wala po tayong video ng ating poolside pero meron tayong pool transformation video or vlog soon. Ito yung greenhouse namin. Oh, yan. Magulo pa guys kasi nandito kami lahat. One bedroom lang. One bed lang dyan siya. One bed frame. So, naga-foam na lang may pag namin tanan. So, ayan. And, of course, aircon. And dito na banda yung CR. It's on. Hi there. Ito yung CR namin guys. Yan, yung bathtub. Maliit yung CR. And, ayan yung, this is the CR. Ayan. May hot and cold din tayo, guys. So, ito banda yung exit, yung fire exit. So, pagbasa din, dyan din kami dumadaan. So, close na natin. And dito na part, guys, is yung kwarto nila Anastasia. So, magulo pa siya. We will not go there yet kasi it's not clean. And it's not ready for the room tour. So, ito yung house or room namin, part nila mama. So, ito yung view namin paggising sa umaga. Hi! Hop! Remove your slippers, please. Ay, nako. Ayan, yung view namin every morning, guys. It's so beautiful. And, hi, Isha.
Hi.
Say, please.
Please.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Yung view natin, guys. Hey, guys, I will tour you in our old house. Or sa kuwang papa de ay. So, this is the house of my papa. Very old. Ayan yung house niya, guys. Pero secret lang natin to na inopen natin. Ito yung pinakaunang bahay na nandito. Ayan siya. This is the front. And let's go there. Let's go inside. Malinis to siya. So, very old na. Kitang-kita naman dito. Oh. Look at that. Pero, malinis pa rin. This is the room of my papa. Very simple. Simple lang talaga siya na tao. Ayan yung computer and the TV. Ayan yung ref niya. Kamay lang kayo, guys. Yan, wala pa talagang naman. So, syempre, may CR din. Yan, tignan natin yun. Yung room niya, guys, na simple and very old na ito. Ito yung pinakaunang room na build dito sa farm na ito. So, let's close. So, this part is our dining. Dining area. Yeah, pa kay Inday ang ano. This is our caretaker. Wow. Kuya Longlong. Uy. And ito yung dining area namin, guys, na magiging maganda na soon. Ayan, simple lang. What is that, Tisha? Dog. Hala. Is this yours?
Yeah.
No? Ito ang part na madaming ulam. Yung freezer, wala palang laman. Ayan, ito yung appliances and foods. So, dito na part, guys, is my flowing water. Ayan. Yun o, madaming naglalaba dyan. Flowing water yan. So, ayan yung bahay. Maliliit.
So, ito na part, guys, is bahay ng mga caretaker namin. And yung banda doon is the CR.
Kanilang lutuan.
Hindi yan siya dati, diba, sabungan?
Oh, yan siya yung sabungan dati. Pero
So, this part is sabungan siya dati. Ngayon, ginawa na siyang dining area.
So, dito is ating lutuan. Hello, good morning, guys! Hi! Karon.
High blood. Hi, high blood.
Yan, old version ng pagluto.
Kita ka sa YouTube.
Ayan. Ito yung breakfast natin, danggit, and egg, and sausage. Pero, dali sa mga galuto. Ito yung office. Office. And bodega. Good morning. Hinaya na ay. You need to charge it. There's no battery.
Oh, isang battery na siya.
What's that? Hi. Good morning. That's it for our house tour. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching our house tour or farm tour part 2. And we will see you guys